Hi everyone, welcome to Bounty Hunters, a platform that allows companies to endorse their brands and projects through the eyes and words of influencer marketers. So, guys, welcome to the website. I will give you a brief instruction on how to use it if you are a bounty hunter or an influencer. So, first thing you need to do is you need to register on the website, use your email, create a password, make sure you then attach your Ethereum address so you get your bonuses. Once you register and log into the website, you can click on this button here that says Our Bounties. So here you will see a list of bounty campaigns which we are currently running on the platform, current bounties. And below you can see the bounty campaigns which have already ended or are outdated. So click on Dashboard. This will show your profile. You can set your picture. You can include your Ethereum address or update it. You can check your social media profile links for Twitter, for Facebook. If you need to change them, you can do this here. And in skills, you can update your skills, mention which languages you speak. So that way we can look for specific hunters and give them specific tasks in the future. So if you click on My Campaigns, you will see all the projects that you have participated in. If you click on New Campaigns, you can see the new projects that you haven't worked with so far. So I have participated in all the bounty campaigns. So as an example, let's go into LevelNet, which is one of our current clients. So when I click on LevelNet, I can see how many tokens are allocated for the bounty campaign. I can see the company website, how many days are left until the bounty campaign ends. So this one ends on June the 30th, which is in 4 days. And if you click on description, and you should do that, read the short description of what the company does and what purpose does the project serve. So here below you can see how many stakes you've earned, and you can see all the different activities and bounties and tasks that you can do for this project. So for me, for example, I have 78 tasks that I haven't completed yet. 43 of them are for Facebook, 33 are Twitter, and 2 are custom. As you know, the custom tasks are the ones that we need to check, and it takes up to 2 weeks. So for example, if you create an article or you write a blog, you need to insert your link in the space provided, mention your name, and write a short description of what you did, then click complete, and that way we will see that you completed the task and we can check and verify your article. And then we can give you the stakes for the project. Keep in mind that there's always a button called Bounty Channel Rules. So for each task and activity, you need to read the rules and make sure you understand them so you get all the rewards that you deserve. So let's go back into LevelNet and see what else they have to do. So you have Twitter activities, you have Facebook activities, you have actually many Facebook activities. There's so many shares that you can see because each time the company posts a new link, you can share it. So for example, I want to share LevelNet's Twitter activity. I click on Twitter, share. Then you have to click on share the tweet and wait for Twitter page to open. Once you find the new link, you click on the button to retweet it. You type your comments here. Then you click retweet. Then you go back into the system and you click on confirm sharing. So this will automatically check that you've done the right job, you made a comment, and issue the stakes. So keep in mind that when you check your executed tasks, there are 72 of them. Some can be rejected if you did the job incorrectly. Some are pending. So for example, if you write an article or you make a YouTube video, it takes a few days to check that and it'll be in a pending status. The ones that you see under green approved are all the activities that you've done and you have got the points for them. So it's quite simple. For example, I go into the bounty campaign for Bounty Hunters. I can see there's two Facebook tasks, there's two Twitter tasks, post and share. There's Telegram activities, so I can join the channel, join the Telegram channel. Make sure you put in your phone number here and you click send to join the Telegram channel. We have custom activities. We have a blog post and video post. Again, if you want to make a video, you create one, you post it on your YouTube channel, you copy the link, and you post the link in the system. Mention your name, write a comment, click complete, and you will get your stakes for the video within 1 to 2 weeks maximum. So guys, it's quite simple. If you have any questions, you can check our blog. Actually, for more information about the project, you can check our blog. If you have any questions, you can click on FAQ, and this video will be under instructions. This button is strictly for our clients. If they want to launch a new bounty campaign, they click here. So for you guys, for bounty hunters and our great influencers, always use the dashboard button. So good luck, happy hunting, and I hope we can help great companies achieve perfect results by spreading the word about their projects. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.